Hi guys, I'm gonna do what's in my bag, but this is not any bag. This is TikTok shop bag. I was recently invited to TikTok top creator event with 1+ million followers. Let's see what I got. First, I'm gonna start with Donna Karan, beautiful perfume for women. I'm not gonna unbox everything, but I just wanted to spray myself with this one. It's called Cashmere Mist and smells amazing. So I'm gonna link all the products, don't worry, you're not gonna miss anything. The second thing I got is a protein powder. As you guys know, I have a very healthy diet, so this is the brand. Then I got Fenty Beauty Hydrating Body Cream, which is amazing. I got the acne set from Ordinary. I personally don't have acne, but from time to time I don't have very clear skin and some hormonal pimples show up, so I need to keep up with perfection. I got this sunscreen from CeraVe that I already like. Some of the products here that I got are the products that I've been already using and I already like them, and some of them are very new and I want to try them. So got this one, everybody needs a lip balm. Got the retinol cream from Murad. Tinted moisture from Fenty Beauty. It's with this refill case, which is so cool. My hair oils are here. I needed a new toothbrush and I found my favorite there, so. Then I got the body scrub that smells amazing from this brand. Then I also got a facial pads from the same brand. I got Fenty Beauty Shimmering Oil Body Cream. Perfect for summer. And from L'Oreal I got a setting spray for makeup. Caffeine Brightening Eye Serum from L'Oreal. Lady gave me 2 of these gel sleep masks for drier skin like mine. I can't wait to try this out. I got 2 gloss bombs from Fenty Beauty in these beautiful shades. Also got Donna Karan deodorant that I already previously advertised because I love it so much and it's my second bottle. Then I need to stay hydrated and my diet is very clean, so I got this lemonade, 0 sugar. Got the acne treatment serum from Murad. It's more of like maintaining the clear skin, so very happy to have this. To stay healthy, I needed magnesium. These are the pills I got. My new mascara is this one from Maybelline New York, the Ordinary Moisture, and the CoverGirl mascara. I needed brightening serum, so I got this brand. So cool, can't wait to try. I got this CoverGirl lip stain that I'm happy to try. Also got this hydrating cream from this brand. And I got the caffeine solution from Ordinary. The Blurfaction from L'Oreal. It's for the makeup. And Maybelline gave me this Teddy Tint. It's so cool. And I got this Buttermelt highlighter from NYX. CoverGirl gloss. So cool. From NYX, it's matte lip balm. Very cool, can't wait to try. And the deep cleansing bar from this brand from New York. Got these 2 highlighters, I think. I don't know what is it. I think it's a highlighter from CoverGirl. Hydrating gloss serum from NYX. And the last are the Estee Lauder lipsticks. Look at those colors. These are gorgeous. So that would be all. That's my TikTok shop haul. If you guys enjoyed, I'm gonna film all of these makeups and products and tell you my honest review about it if you want me to. I'm also gonna link all of these products so you will be able to get them and try them out yourself. Stay tuned and I love you. I'll see you soon. Bye.